If you're seeing the P0303 error code in your car, don't worry, I've got you covered. The P0303 code indicates a misfire in cylinder number 3, which could be due to ignition issues, fuel system problems, or internal engine issues. To fix it, start by checking the ignition system, spark plugs, ignition wires, and ignition coil. Next, inspect the fuel system. Clean or replace the fuel filter and fuel injectors. Finally, perform an engine check. Test cylinder compression and adjust valves if needed. Regular maintenance can prevent these issues, so stay on top of it. For more detailed info, check out the full guide. By following these steps, you'll be back on the road in no time, driving safe and trouble-free. Like and follow for more car tips and tricks.